Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Epic Games subscriptions. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to visit on epicgames.com website, and you can simply type like Epic Games subscription, and the link will open in your, you can say like the first one link, or you can directly visit on your Epic Games account. Okay, and you need to log in into your account. Once you logged in, you just need to simply tap on this option like your profile icon, and you need to tap your account option. Okay, and once you tap on account option, it will pop up this kind of window. On the left side there are so many options. You need to simply tap on subscription, and once you tap on subscription, over here you can see your all the subscriptions, and you can cancel your subscription very easily on this screen. Okay, and if you're facing any issue related to this, then you can also directly visit on this link like Epic Games subscription link, and you can open this link in a new window, and it will also redirect you on the same window. Okay, you can cancel your subscription very easily. So if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.